Why does water turn into steam? One afternoon, Lily was helping her mom in the kitchen and noticed steam rising from a pot of boiling water. She wondered why the water turned into steam.
Why does water turn into steam when it gets hot?
Suddenly, a tiny fairy named Misty appeared to explain why water turns into steam.
Hi Lily. I'm Misty, the steam fairy. Let me tell you why water changes into steam when it gets hot.
Misty explained that when water gets hot, it changes from a liquid to a gas.
When water gets hot, it changes from a liquid to a gas. That's what steam is, a gas.
Misty told Lily that when water gets hot, the molecules start to move faster and faster.
When water heats up, its molecules move faster and faster until they turn into steam.
Misty explained that water turns into gas when it gets enough heat, which is why it changes into steam when it boils.
When water gets enough heat, it changes from liquid to gas, and that's why it turns into steam when it boils.
Misty told Lily that steam is just water vapor, which is tiny droplets of water floating in the air.
Steam is made of water vapor, tiny droplets of water floating in the air.
Misty explained that heat is what makes water change into steam, and without heat, water stays liquid.
Heat is the key. Without heat, water stays liquid, but when it heats up, it changes into steam.
Misty told Lily that water turns into steam when it reaches a temperature called the boiling point.
Water turns into steam when it reaches the boiling point, which is 100 degrees Celsius.
Misty explained that water goes through a cycle. It can change from liquid to gas, and back to liquid again when it cools down.
Water goes through a cycle. It can change from liquid to gas and back to liquid when it cools down.
Lily smiled, now understanding why water turns into steam, and couldn't wait to share what she learned with her friends.
Thanks, Misty. Now I know why water turns into steam when it gets hot.